nwere ihe nchọ ka m draw attention on them mmadụ too, because a lot of people na-aga a support to evil. By the time ihe ọjọọ na-ewere ọnọdụ, ndị mmadụ dị not caution it on time. Mgbe oge lizi asịwa gị na ị na-anọrọ Chukwu oge ị na-eme nke a. Let me tell you the simple truth. God cannot come down and do for you what you cannot do. You can do for yourself. The only thing God can do for us is what we cannot do for ourselves. If God has given you contact, giving you influence and power, just like Mokema in the Bible, Joseph of Arimathea, because despite the fact that Jesus which anointing, man, Joseph born contact, connection. You are the only person that legislate where you are pilot is saying na you makwana muna na ba deka because be mo zumo kan no mo le ben gutele mania. If not ozi ya no no cross where like ashecha, does it mean that God cannot force the body of Jesus to come down from the cross? He can, but he needed the man to do that work. Makani he ni kesi emi anongwa, kesi emi aneni igwe. Just like I said again, kede makake in Palace of Justice. Makake Palace of Justice. Yeah, kita ilona like 1 month and now. When was we no kutoku ken? Ono bona chief weekend. When I'm behind it, we can ride on. You are saying the truth. No mind them, expose them, do this, do that. And na bali mumadi begi na abon mumadi. Ina kwesere yeguya because nebo ile camera. Inwe smartphone. Kita na wakera na like 1 month na webe onyema we ya. The last time he posted was 1st of March. That was the last time Ken posted on this blue app. When Nacho can draw attention on them mother. When Andy Bible Tana saying Anuluchukogo, Ijiko. The genesis of this social media arrest and social media unrest and social media banditry in the name of Omenala Bidokwan from Mundo Omenala. Sigo why is no one bidori aku police, onu wakuzile ndo ka kesi abo police. Wetago onu akuzile haya ndo kana olo nwa hunu buluzo bido megosi we ndị mmadụ ahụ na-emekwa arrest unu nwe power anyị nwekwa power na ndị mmadụ wes na aka ọ dị go and check it icho ma agwọlụ gị ya that did you all arrest the dibia arrest ya J Park. The same people bukwa the same people na agba mgbe meji Park second arrest on the dibia bukwa ndị na sponsor na weta ego si je jidesi J Park ike nwa. Mana right from before then, can ngwazi on ihe menjiwebia. Emenjiwebia wo maka gene. This man ana or agwazi comedy. How did you move from onye na-ekwu ile, onye na-ekwu eziokwu to onye na-ebo mmadụ allegation? How? Keki si where? How did you do that? How did you transit from that nature? How did you transit from this thing onye na-ekwu eziokwu to onye na-atụ asị? In the first video, ebe the young man Neku nyele Zion ministry. Then the video mgbe oboloze akowere. And then in this video.
A real man of God, you cannot bring him down. That is why the Bible said, upon Mount Zion there shall be deliverance. Ebuka Obi is the only pastor that nobody have accused him of sex scandal. Why are you guys really fighting this man? Why are you guys want to bring this man? Why our Igbo brothers is trying all their possible best to bring down this man? What will you do if you bring? What will you gain? What will be your gain if you bring down this man? What will be your gain if you bring down this man? If the man is not a real man of God, then leave him. You are not the one that called him. If this man is fake, take it or leave it. That they will not bring down this man. And what you understand there, what kills these young ministers are sex scandal. But you have never seen Ebuka Obi recorded anyone. Why are you guys fighting this man? I have a song I want to dedicate to Ebuka Obi. Now listen to me. Ebuka Obi amụma gị abụ amụma renji. Amụma gị abụ amụma rolaro. Iso na ndị ji anointing ebu amụma. Ebuka iso na ndị ji anointing ebu amụma. Amụma gị abụ amụma rolaro. Amụma gị abụ amụma mere. Iso na ndị ji anointing ebu amụma. Iso na ndị ji anointing ebu amụma. Amụma gị abụ amụma rolaro. Kalabodo shata. Amụma gị abụ amụma mere. Ebuka Obi so na ndị ji anointing ebu amụma. Ebuka Obi so na ndị ji anointing ebu amụma. Ebuka Obi, I just wanted to do one thing for me. Don't respond to any bloggers. Let me tell you something. My mother told me something. When the world are clapping for you, know that you have missed it. But when everybody is accusing you and hating you, know that you're on the right track. Ebuka Obi, Imerigo. Can't you see, imagine? Even the stadium was filled. Like say a president they come. Now if Ebuka come up for president of Nigeria, he go win. Because why? He get members all over the world. Why are you guys attacking this man? Why do you guys want to bring down Ebuka Obi? What have he done? Is he a crime to become a successful pastor in Igbo Land? Is he a crime? The Yoruba people are not dragging their own. Igbo people, what will you do with this man if you bring him down? Will you feed his family? Will you take care of his mother? If you bring down this man now, what will be your gain? What will be your gain if you bring down Ebuka Obi? Tell me. Is it the only pastor in Nigeria? Can't you see our big church redeem winner? Many church, I just seen a Yoruba man come to talk against them. Igbo, like I said before, it's not Igbo love themselves. It's Igbo does not love themselves. Because if we Igbo love ourselves, we will not try to bring down one of our own. What have we done? Have you seen anyone that come out and say that Ebuka dupe him? Did Ebuka beg anyone to come to his church? Did Ebuka force anyone to come to his church? No, he never forced. People went there willingly. And if you send an arrange, they do. You wake on do the arrange, they don't pay you. Let's stop bothering ourselves. We want really, it does not matter. There are things that does not matter. All we could have been praying, say, Lord, let your grace be upon him. Let your grace be upon him. Let your grace be upon him. You are not a judge. Who have made you a judge to a woman being you did not create? What made you a judge to a human being you did not create? If they do arrange, and people see they come there. If they do arrange, see crowd. Ebuka Obi too much. Ebuka Obi, you too much. Oh, you too much. Ebuka Obi. Please, I want you guys to like this video, share this video, and comment. Thank you very much.
But how did he arrive here? Just because of online views and money. Online views and money. Imewa Iwaji, Mewa MC Bakarobi, na Ibulini Abata. People did not see those parts. Mbona Bali AY. Bo accusing AY. Makwenya accuse AY. He accuse AY of Etobanwa Zime. Then Mechan Bonite Kochaba MC Bakara. Nobody saw those things. No zekita aka na akpali ya na una bia go bia defend the evil. Cause na ekwu say na onye soro kpo bi ha lo okpu eze. Mgbe ha lo ye wele ochiche. Ochiba onye obana. So no support wa. Mana an ma yonda no wana na say no, you cannot be fighting for everybody na akpo police. And ma yogi biko bia na comment section nyemu full license. He accuse you of ihe na meho. Full license, I can't accuse you here now for complete 3 solid months. Name your full details, name your name, name your picture. Every day can well at least in a week I'm post a video about a here 4 to 5 times a week for 3 months. Come on here doing can make any come on here doing because I know me on yours and I say ride on where the hen man. Man I can make an egg here. Let me see if you can endure it.
Akozion, you guys should pay Chisom Adugbe her money. Ebuka Obi, please pay Chisom her money. Akozion, pay Chisom her money. You guys transported this girl all the way from Port Harcourt to come to Lagos State to do a stage miracle. Now you guys have refused to do your own part. You sent her 30,000 naira. She came with transport. Then she's going back. You guys gave her another 20,000 and tell her you guys will transfer the other 100,000 naira. Up till now, getting to 2 weeks now, you guys have not transferred the 100,000 naira agreement you both have. I'm not here to drag anybody. I'm not here to condemn anybody. If you guys are doing stage miracle, it's none of my business. Because if I will start posting all the screenshots Before I will start posting everything, the voice record and everything. It's none of my business whether you guys are doing stage miracle or not. But my own concern is that this young girl needed this money because of her school fees. You guys have tarnished her own image, but she don't care. What she care, because since she will use the money and pay her school fees, instead of her doing hookup or selling her body to men, she decided to do this thing. Now you guys should pay her money. You guys are telling her story that she did not perform what you guys asked her to perform. Was she born to perform magic? Was she born to perform stage miracle? She have already come and agreed on all the prophecy that Ebuka Obi gave to him. You guys are not saying that since she did not perform fall like all those people used to fall, that you guys will not pay her the money. Since the saga between Ebuka Obi and Father Emeka has been going on, if you check, I have not even involved myself. I have not even talked anything, because I don't talk anything that concerns church or mosques. So what I'm saying now is that Ebuka Obi, Zion, you guys should pay Chisom her money. She need this money to pay her school fees. Because you guys know that she don't have enough followers on Facebook, you guys think you will eat her money and just like that? No. She already sent me everything, but I don't want to post it. I just did this video, so you guys will pay her. But if after 48 hours she did not receive her money, then I will upload what I want to upload. Then the world will see it, and that is to say, whatever thing Father Baka is saying is truth. I don't support people's business. Whatever thing you are doing, do it. If you want to make money, anything you are doing that you want to do, both illegal or legal, my brother, do it. So far the two will put food on your table. But you don't know they go catch you, now you know. What is 100,000 that you guys cannot pay? But Akuzan is calling himself a billionaire. What is 100,000? Is this not pure wickedness? Is this not called pure wickedness? This is what they call pure wickedness. You guys don't want to pay her. You guys are intimidating people. That is why they say that the kind of abomination that is happening in Zion, even native doctor said that abomination cannot happen there. See, I don't want to abuse anybody. You do your miracle, you do your church, I do my own. But my own will say, if you guys have deal with another person, you guys should please pay up that person. I'm giving you guys 48 hours. If I call Chisom and she said that she did not get the money, then I will upload everything. Alright? And people, thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly please share this video so you will get to Zion, so they can pay up Chisom her money. Thank you very much.